started.
What is the capital of India? Answer option B, Delhi. Who was the first president of India? Answer A, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which river is known as the Ganga of the South? Answer option C, Kaveri. When did India gain independence from British rule? Answer option B, 1947. Which Indian state has the largest population? Answer option C, Uttar Pradesh. Who wrote the national anthem of India? Answer option A, Rabindranath Tagore. In which year was the Indian Constitution adopted? Answer option C, 1949. Which is the largest state in India by area? Answer option B, Rajasthan. What is the official language of India? Answer option A, Hindi. Who is known as the father of the nation in India? Answer option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Which is the national animal of India? Answer option B, tiger. Which is the national flower of India? Answer option B, lotus. Which Indian state is known as the land of five rivers? Answer option A, Punjab. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Answer option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. What is the currency of India? Answer option A, rupee. Which is the smallest state in India by area? Answer option A, Goa. What is the national fruit of India? Answer option B, mango. Who built the Taj Mahal? Answer option C, Shah Jahan. Which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Answer option C, Bangalore. Which Indian scientist is known as the Missile Man? Answer option C, APJ Abdul Kalam. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Answer option A, Indira Gandhi. What is the national sport of India? Answer option B, hockey. Which is the longest river in India? Answer option A, Ganga. Which city is known as the Pink City of India? Answer option A, Jaipur. Who is the author of the book Discovery of India? Answer option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Which Indian state has the highest literacy rate? Answer option A, Kerala. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? Answer option B, Rabindranath Tagore. Which is the highest mountain peak in India? Answer option A, Mount Everest. Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights in India? Answer option B, Diwali. Who is the current Prime Minister of India? Answer option C, Narendra Modi. Which Indian state is known as the Tea Garden of India? Answer option C, Assam. Which is the largest desert in India? Answer option A, Thar Desert. What is the national bird of India? Answer option A, Peacock. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? Answer option D, Karnam Maleshwari. Which is the oldest mountain range in India? Answer option B, Aravalli. Who was the first Indian astronaut to go to space? Answer option A, Rakesh Sharma. Which Indian city is known as the City of Lakes? Answer option B, Udaipur. Which Indian state is famous for its backwaters? Answer option B, Kerala. What is the national tree of India? Answer option C, banyan. Which Indian state is known as the Spice Garden of India? Answer option B, Kerala. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Answer option C, Sardar Patel. Which is the first Indian movie to win an Oscar? Answer option C, Gandhi. Which Indian state is known for its Kathakali dance? Answer option B, Kerala. Who is the author of the Indian national song Vande Mataram? Answer option B, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Which Indian state is known as the land of rising sun? Answer option B, Arunachal Pradesh. What is the name of the Indian Space Agency? Answer option B, ISRO. Which Indian city is known as the City of Joy? Answer option A, Kolkata. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? Answer option A, Bachendri Pal. Which Indian state is known as the land of kings? Answer option C, Rajasthan. Which is the national aquatic animal of India? Answer option B, dolphin.